Good morning, families and friends. You see, my topic for today is why we must never forget the cross. You see, I want you to imagine sitting at a table, bread in one hand and a cup in the other, and hearing Jesus say, "Do this in remembrance of me." And that moment is found in 1 Corinthians 11, 24 to 25. It wasn't just a ceremony. Friends, it was a command to remember the greatest act of love in human history. You see, Jesus knew how easily we forget. You see, we forget promises, we forget people, and sometimes we forget what truly matters. That's why he gave us the bread and the cup, not as symbols of religion, but as reminders of redemption. You see, in John 14:26, Jesus said, "The Holy Spirit would bring to your remembrance all that he taught." You see, in other words, memory is sacred. The Spirit helps us recall not just the fact of Jesus' death, but the meaning of it. You see, every time we remember the cross, we remember that grace is greater than guilt, that love triumphs over sin, and that death did not have the final word. You see, but when we forget the cross, we lose our compass. We chase success without purpose, faith without depth, and life without love. You see, as Paul said, "I determined to know nothing among you except Jesus Christ and him crucified." So today, pause and remember. Remember the hands that were pierced for you, the body broken for your healing, and the blood poured out for your forgiveness. Because without the cross, without what Christ did for us, nothing else really matters. You see, the cross is not just something to remember. It's everything we live for. God bless.